Today on the channel, I'm going to show you how to make the tastiest Southern hot dog chili sauce ever. I've loved hot dogs for as long as I can remember, especially the ones topped with good old-fashioned chili sauce. Follow along with me and I'll show you how to make this easy Southern hot dog chili sauce. To start this recipe, you will take some olive oil and put it in the bottom of the pan. We're going to be sauteing our onion. One whole onion, and you will want to cut this up finely. Finely, we cut it up finely. We'll saute this until it's just translucent. Now you will want to add to it your chocolate and your spices. We have chili powder, black pepper, smoked paprika, oregano, nutmeg, clove, and salt. We're going to toast these just a little bit. We're going to also add to it, as we're toasting our spices, our garlic. We have 2 cloves of garlic. These spices already smell good as soon as they hit that heat. You will toast your spices for about 30 seconds. Next, you will add about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. All of the ingredients will be down in the description. You will add apple cider vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, and stir this around. Just going to mix this together a little. 1 cup of tomato sauce and 2 cups of broth. We are using vegetable broth because I was out of beef broth, but beef broth is what I would recommend. You would probably think that I would fry my hamburger first, but with this recipe, no, we don't. We want this hamburger to break up very fine. It's a hot dog chili, okay? We want it to spread even like a sauce. So we're adding 1 pound of ground sirloin. You will want to stir your sauce so that all of your hamburger breaks up really small. Come look. So this is what you're looking for. And I didn't use quite 2 cups of my broth. You can use 2 if you would like. It really depends on how thin you want your sauce. We like ours a little bit on the thicker side. So you'll notice in the recipe down in the description that it's going to say 1.5 to 2. And that's why. You will cook this for about 20 minutes. It took about 25 minutes for this to cook, and it is ready to go on a hot dog or a hamburger. We're going to be doing hot dogs. How do you prefer your hot dogs? I like mine typically with mustard, onions, and of course the chili sauce. The chili sauce can be used for a number of different dishes, like a dip. It could be used as a dip. Or you can put it in with noodles and make chili mac. You could put it on a pizza. Put it on some French bread with some cheese on it. Delicious. Put me a comment down in the, add me a comment and let me know how you like your hot dogs, what you like on your hot dogs. I hope that you have enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Hit subscribe and also hit that bell so that you get all of our recipes as they post. See you next time.